Jade. I'm back from my workout and I bike after my class, so I wanted to send you a message. I'm so happy that you are aspiring to be a chef. I highly recommend learning as much as you can, like at culinary school, from your grandma, from older women in your family, maybe from a couple of mentors. And also, I think it's really cool that you want to learn more about breakfast in the morning. So usually I do high protein and high fiber. So I would like crack 2 eggs and scramble them, fold in some salsa, a little bit of avocado, and then of course I drink like 3 matchas a day, maybe more sometimes. And I make sure to go to Bar Method. That's the workout that I really like to do. If you want to save some cash, you could definitely go to like a local yoga class or find a community class that doesn't charge too much money. But I also recommend trying out some of my smoothies, like my chocolate smoothie, which is like half a frozen banana plus cocoa powder plus almond milk or water, a little bit of spinach. And to sweeten it, you can add like a touch of honey or just add a full banana if you want, but make sure the banana is frozen. It's so important to take care of yourself while you're training to be a chef. So I'm sending you all my love and luck. I'll see you soon.